This won't be very smooth at first, but that's okay because it gives you the proportions and it gets you going, okay? And then this line right here, it goes about halfway, a little bit more than halfway in this box right here, if I'm seeing it right. Yeah, it goes a little bit, about right there. So I'm aiming for there, and then it bumps like this. So I'm going to come up here and go, see that? It bumps like that. And if you want to check the negative space, you certainly can. Mine's so black that that doesn't work very well on this one. Now I'm going to come across this little line right here, this diagonal line here. It's about right there where I want to go, so I'm going to come down and make it. See, all we're doing is making a dot to dot. If you think of it that way, it's easy, okay? And then I'm going to come down here like that, and then I'm going to come over here. This goes about halfway up, not quite halfway up that line, okay? And then I come over like that, and then I come down here. Let's see, that is about right here. So I'm going to come over like that. Okay, so now I've got that basic shape. Now it's not very good. I can clean it up with a pencil. If it was a pencil, I could erase it and smooth out these lines and fix all that stuff, okay? Make it nice and smooth. But right now, I don't care if it's smooth. It doesn't matter. What I want to get is the lines in the right place. Okay, now we're going to come down here to this intersection, okay? And I'm needing to match up right here. So I'm going to go up like that. And there's a double line there. There's a white line inside of that one. So I'm going to just kind of indicate that because that's what meets up with the eyeball there. Okay. Then let's get his nose in there. That might be kind of hard. Here's where the nose fits. And we're going to come, let's see, it doesn't cross that line right there, but if you look here, I know it's probably hard to see, but if you go up like that, I go up like that, about right there. And then this top of the nose is kind of straight right there, and it crosses the line about right here. Maybe farther back. That's kind of straight. And then there's a double line here that I'm not too worried about. That's easy to do. And then I'm going to come down here. And I need to trace that one. See where that kind of goes like that. And then this nose crosses up here into this little box here. And it crosses there and there. And so I'm just going to go like that and hook it up. Okay, and then it comes up here and hook it up so that it's in closed shape. And that secondary line you can draw in there too if you want to. Okay, and now I'm going to come up here and about halfway is where that's going to cross. And where does this go? It goes down through that diagonal line and it meets up right here, right? So I'm just going to go down like that. That might be good enough for now. And see, I think I made that way too big. Because now my negative shape, this is telling me that this has to be right here. It has to come across that diagonal line and cross there. So I'm going to make Mickey cross-eyed for a minute, okay? I'm going to come down here. And it does a loop down there. So I made this one too big. So with your eraser, you can fix that so that it's not so big. Because really, I made him cross-eyed. There needs to be more space right in there. Okay? More space in there. Okay? All right, now, where should we go next? I'm not going to color those eyes in black because we don't need to. We're just doing line drawing to get the layout, okay? Let's do this one next. Let's do this line. It comes down to way below halfway there. Probably about right there. And let's see, his nose comes down in here. So from here, we have that line. And it crosses, and it's about like that, right? Just almost straight across, not quite, a little bit of a dip. Now this smile little thing here, that's important. So I know it's down below here, down below that little box there, and it's about right in the middle there with a little bit of a curve. Okay, and then we come down and cross about right here, and I'm gonna put dots here and here and here so that I can make sure that goes about right. So then it comes down lower here and here. So now I can take a smile, which is actually part of his nose, isn't it? The smile is part of his nose there. And then I'm going to come here, and his lower lip starts at this, right on the line, right on that corner, and it just comes over a little ways, okay? Not very far. And then I'm going to aim for right here. That's the line I want to draw next. So I'm going to come up. Is it that one? There's my center. Again, it's going to come up from there. Oh, about that far, right? So this part of Mickey's mouth is going to come down and then back up to that, like that. See that line? And now we have exactly halfway here. Maybe not exactly, but really close to halfway there. There's his the upper line on his lip. And then the outside, whoa, did I do that wrong? I picked up the wrong dot. Oh, thank goodness you're going to use a pencil. Because, is this right? Wait a minute. That's the line. Okay, yeah, that was supposed to come from here. And that's actually the top. That's what I wanted. Okay. And then this part of the lip is going to come down here, and it actually intersects with that and comes up. That's the inside. Oh, it doesn't go all the way up. So this is one reason I stop and draw right on the picture, to realize that it only goes up this far. I'm sorry that this line's confusing. That's really confusing me too. I cross it out so I don't accidentally think it's my guideline. And then this line right here crosses the line, right? About, yeah, less than halfway. And it starts here, so that goes about like that. And then in here, look, you got two dots already made. You just have to kind of get the swing of the line. And you thought this one was going to be too easy, huh? No, not easy. Never easy. Okay? I probably want to come back and make that a little more round, but I'm not going to worry about that yet because we're getting our shape in there. Okay, let's get these Mickey Mouse ears that are so important on here. Okay, comes around. I'm going to mark where it crosses this line right here because this is got to, okay, it's got to come across about, now you see why I drew in that part of the ear that's in the gray? So that's about that far, okay? Now I'm going to go like this. I don't know which one of those lines was right. About like that. Then we're going to come down here and we're going to cross this line here. And this comes just quickly through there. After you get going, you don't have to put dots everywhere. You get to where you understand what you're doing. And then you come across in here, and this stops before it gets to that diagonal line. And that straight line. Nope, that diagonal line. So it's got to go this far. And then it comes down like this. And this one starts right where this line is. And then it comes up like about, very little negative space right there. Can you see that? It's pretty close together with that ear. And then it goes like that. Okay? All right. How am I doing? I'm doing pretty good. We're getting our main things in there, huh? And this actually is the top of Mickey's head, which we'll want to smooth out a little bit. Then we're going to come down here and this intersection, I know you can't see it, but there's an intersection right here, it's this one. That's where this ear comes, so I think it's about right there. If you are having trouble, then what I need you to do is I need you to get the picture on your device so that you can see better, because the color is separated, where that's the very same value, the color is separated. So you can look at that and identify where that line might go. And let's see, we're going to cross this line about right here, and it's going to come off the page about right there. So now I have my dots, and I can connect those, okay? And then we got Mickey's funny little body here, and it doesn't look like there's room for his funny little body, but according to my grid, there should be room. So let's just trust the grid. Okay, so here's the right place where his mouth is, and his funny little shirt torso goes right there, crosses, and then we have his pants, white pants that go boop off to the page. And then we're going to come, let's see, this line, see that one right there? I'm going to dot that one. I'm going to make dots for that one. So that waistline comes across, comes down like that, crosses over. I came down too far there, I think. And there, and there, and there. That's how far I'm going? Yeah, that's how far I'm going right now. I'm just going to go like this. And then I'm going to come up here and make a dot on this line. So it's about right there, I think. And then come up. And here's his armpit, okay? Funny little armpit on Mickey Mouse. Like that. And then this arm comes straight down. So, oh, I went too close up there, didn't I? So it's actually right here. And this arm goes pretty much straight down. It actually is going to cross this diagonal line about in the middle. About right there. Oh, that's the outside line that crosses there. This one goes down different. Okay. Once again, I wish I had a pencil, but I didn't want to use a pencil because this is the line that meets up right here. So this line is going to go down straighter like that. Okay. So now you can check, oh, we have this negative space here. We've got to get that in there, don't we? That's about halfway on this line. So, I've done that one. Let me see. And then we're going to go, there's one here. And then it goes off, I don't know where, because that's the end of the picture. And then we have these two buttons here that kind of mimic his ears, don't they? Let's look at the negative space there and just kind of, this one's going to be like that. And you can kind of finish those in if you want. And then we have, this one fits in there kind of like that. Okay? All right. Well, there's some bad lines here, huh? I knew there would be because I'm not very good at doing Sharpie. But that's your basic grid. How long did that take me? 10 minutes? Some of your images are going to be more difficult than this one, but if you take your time and just do every line as well as you can, erase your mistakes, go back in and fix it, then guess what? You've got your grid pattern done. Because that's all we need. We don't need to shade it. I don't need you to color in the negative shapes like we did in class. Okay? I just need you to get the line drawing done, so that you can take it to class, or you're going to pick up a kit a week from Wednesday, not tomorrow, but the next Wednesday. At the school it will have art paper, and that might be all you need. So, oh, and transfer paper. So you'll have art paper and transfer paper. And so you'll be able to transfer Mickey Mouse. You're carefully drawn, you fixed everything. Transfer it carefully to your art paper, and then we'll do what's next, and I will give you that in a different lesson. Okay, so this is Autry signing off. Hopefully that helped.